Good morning. This is your daily outlook for Friday the 30th of September. The euro fell against its major counterparts yesterday as the Parliament approved the extension of the European Financial Stability Facility and rescue funds fell to support the single currency. Fears for an escalating Eurozone debt crisis, the risk of a Greek default and slowing global economy dampened investors' appetite for risky assets. Versus the US dollar, the single currency shed 1.1%, dropping to 135.22 from 136.79. Against the Japanese yen, the euro dipped to 103.57 from 104.92. The US dollar got a boost yesterday after US economic data revealed better than expected figures. US final gross domestic product in the second quarter was revised higher to 1.3%, while the market was expecting a 1.2% gain. Initial jobless claims also surprised the market after a fall to 391,000, while 420,000 was expected. Against the Swiss franc, the US dollar rose to 0.9008 from 0.8918. Against the Japanese yen, the greenback edged higher to 77.02 from 76.41. The New Zealand dollar plummeted versus the dollar after rating agency Fitch unexpectedly downgraded New Zealand to AA+ from AAA. Fitch explained the move by citing high levels of debt. Versus the greenback, the Kiwi dipped to 0.7634 from 0.7831, a decline of 2.5%. The British pound also slid against the dollar to trade as low as 155.65 from 157.15. Looking at commodities, we saw oil prices rise to $83.96 a barrel from $79.57. Gold edged higher to $1,640.34 an ounce from $1,588.31. And silver also ticked higher yesterday to $31.48 an ounce from $29.44. Now let's take a look at the currencies this morning. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 136 with a preference to enter into short positions at 136. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 76.95 with a preference to enter into short positions at 76.95. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 0.9850 with a preference to enter into short positions at 0.9850. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 156.65 with a preference to enter into short positions at 156.65, and the dollar CAD pivot point is at 102.75 with a preference to enter into long positions at 102.75. Looking at commodities, the oil pivot point is at 84.95 with a preference to enter into short positions at 84.95. The gold pivot point is at 1653 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1653, and the silver pivot point is at 31.60 with a preference to enter into short positions at 31.60. And of course, for up-to-date information, you can visit our website. And on today's calendar, the market movers are the Europe unemployment rate in August forecast to remain unchanged at 10%. Europe Consumer Price Index in September forecast to gain 2.5%. Swiss KOF leading indicator in September forecast to fall to 1.35, and Canada gross domestic product in quarter 3 forecast to gain 0.3%. Now on to equity markets. Yes, equities were positive yesterday with the SP 500 up 0.81% and the Dow was up 1.30%. European bourses were mixed with the FTSE down 0.40%, the DAX was up 1.10% and the CAC was up 1.07%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 0.35% and the Hang Seng was down 2.08%. It's been your daily outlook. I'm Emma Jo from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a good weekend.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.